This is Danny Brown. Sorry I can't meet today in class. You might hear my voice sounds a little bit strange. I'm going to show you two things to help you work on. One is how to do your title page. See this title page here? It says title page for Sochigo Kenkyu. This is the front page of your paper. Now, first you have your title. And before the title, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 spaces, double spaced. All right, double spaced. Remember double spaced? Okay, here's double spaced. Here's formato, danraku, paragraph. Make sure that this is not checked. This should not be automatic. It should be 0. Do not put it auto. Dame, dame, dame. 0, 0. Double, which is 2, okay? Just like this. And then click. That's real double space. Now these are blue. You don't really need this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't write that. But I'm showing you that it's 6 spaces. And so this is space 7. 7, 8, 9. This is the title. Now this is a long title, so I had to break the title into 3 pieces. If it's shorter, like that, there you go. You just have it like that. If it's 1, that's okay. Just 1, okay? But if it's long, you got to break it, and you have to make sure that this top part of your title is longer. This is next long, and this is shortest, okay? All right, and remember little words like and, to, for, the, of are not capitalized, all right? Okay, I can help you in class if you need with that. Now, you have 2 more spaces, double spaced, so that's really 4, right? And then you have your number and name, 2 more spaces, then Yamanashi Eiwa College, Sochigo Kenkyu class, Professor Danny Brown. 1, 2 spaces, the 3rd space. Okay, I wrote here, this is the date that you actually print your paper or make the final PDF file. It is probably the day you turn it in to the school office, so it will be in late January, all right? And, okay. That's it. So this is an example of how to make your title page. And I will put this on Google Classroom for you. Next is references page. At the end of your paper, the very back of your paper, there is a references page. Okay? And you make your references page. It looks like this. Okay? Actually, this is very short. It should be very long. You should have 14 or more books and articles. 14. This is only 3, so this is short. But this is a good example. Notice you put the word references in bold. Futosen here is bold, okay? And then you put the titles and the address here. And here you need to have, look here, see this and this, like this. Excuse me. There you go. Okay, so it starts out like this, and then you just pull this one, dun, dun, here, dun, 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 dun. There you go. That's what it looks like. All right. And then notice that DHUF starts with a D. D. This is in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. D is before P, and P is before T. So it's D, P, T, and you put it in this order, all right? Okay, let's read through this now. It says website references. You're going to take your website from the online, and you find the author's name, Sometimes there is no author's name, so I put here no author. What do you do if there's no author, okay? But you put the author's name usually, then the page title, then the website title, then the date retrieved. This means the date that you looked at the website, okay? Because websites change in time, so the people need to know when you looked at this website. And finally, the web address. That's the URL right here is the web address, okay? Okay, so that's the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now for names, put the first name as a letter. For example, Tom Smith would be Smith, comma, space, capital T, period. Okay? If there are 3 names, do the same. For example, John Lee Thomas. Okay, his name is John Lee Thomas. So you put Thomas, comma, J period, L period. Okay, and there's a space here. Don't forget the space between the J period and the L. Okay. If you have one author, it would be Smith J period, space, don't forget, 2009, comma, January 21, period, space. Obama is capitalized. The first word is in capitalized. These are not capitalized. Not capitalized. Not capitalized. Not capitalized. Period. Okay? Now, this is the name. The name is always all capitalized. Alright? Do I have another example for you? Okay, we'll look down here. Okay, this is capitalized, the first letter, but this is not capitalized because it's not the first letter. But this one is the name of the whole website, and it's capital, okay? See the difference? And it's italic. Italic, dum-ba-da-dum-bum-bum, italic. But this one, only the first one is capitalized, and it's not italic. All right, let's go back. Okay, so this is italic, capitalized. Not italic, not capitalized. So you got period, italic, period. Retrieved means when you looked at it. Retrieved, and then the date. February 1st, comma, space, 2009, comma, space, from, and then your website. Now look at this here. This is not blue. Look, see down here, this blue? It says bad. This is not blue. It says good. Do not make these blue. Do not make this blue. If you do this, watch. Okay, that's bad. Do not. So I'm going to undo. There. Leave it not blue. 2 authors. You can see the example here. No author. If there's no author, what do you do? Okay, if there's no author, okay, look here. There's no author, so we just cut that. And then we take the first title, okay, and we cut, and we put the first title here in place of the author. There you go. And that's how you do it. All right? All right. Let's go back. Okay. If there's no date, you put ND, okay? ND. This, let me get closer. Notice. N period, D period. There is no space. Usually in English there is always a space, but only in this case, no space. All right? N period, D period, in parenthesis, and then period, and then space. All right. That's when there's no date. ND, no date. Okay. Are we finished? All right, that's it. And then you, then you alphabetize your names. Alphabetize your names. D, P, T. All right, that's it. And so please get these ready. And if you have any struggle, Danny will help you when I see you in class later. All right? Okay, goodbye, everybody.